Hi, I'm Matthew. I've recently been asked to do an honest review of my experience using Mouldings on a recent renovation that I done. The renovation itself took place between the middle of October 2024 and the end of November, so I gave myself a 6 week period to completely renovate the full interior of a house that I bought here in Antrim. I have zero experience with renovation works, so I didn't know where to start. I didn't know what I was supposed to be doing, but I knew what I wanted. And one of the things that I wanted was to completely rip out every single door frame and every single bit of architive and skirting from the home and make it my own. So with a bit of looking online, I came across Mouldings, which actually happened to be based here in Antrim, and I didn't realise that they had their own online shop called Sam Shop. So I went on, took a look around, and I gave them a call. I spoke to a lady called Megan. She was very helpful in making sure that I got exactly what I needed when I needed it. I thought that I was going to have to go through a builder merchant to get all of this material, which would have been a lot more expensive, I think. But using the online, like their online shop, it made things a lot more cost effective for me. And as a result, everything came in more or less on budget because I basically done everything from new bathrooms to kitchens and from start to finish. But adding all the new architive, all the new door frames, all the new skirting, really, it's beautiful. I really like what I've done now, and I don't believe that it would have been as simple and straightforward or as cost effective if I had have done it in a different manner. So I have recommended Sam Shop to many people, and I know a lot of people who have used it off the back of that, and I will have no hesitation in recommending them moving forward. Honestly, I hope that I never have to use it again because it's a big job doing everything, but if the need does arise, I won't hesitate in going back to them. If you're about to start looking at your own renovation works and skirting or architive or door frames as a part of it, well then get in contact with them. They're brilliant to deal with and very reasonably priced as well. Best of luck.